Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Unice hair. You guys know Unice is an OG over here, so let's get into what we got today. I got a pair of HD wig caps. Oh my gosh, I got a whole pack, a whole set of Glamour Edition faux mink lashes. It has 8 pairs of lashes inside. These are some big lashes. If you like that dramatic vibe, this will be perfect for you. I also got a goodie bag. And in the very bottom of the box, you know, they're still keeping the Christmas spirit. I have this Merry Christmas card, so cute. And then we have this drawstring back here, another pair of HD wig caps, have a branded Unice elastic band. Oh, these are cute, some very cute oval pink nails. It says Unice 2-minute DIY nail package. And also there's some labels that were sent, 2 of them actually, and it's branded Unice. These are like some stickers, so you can use those if you want. And that's it for the goodies. Very cute, guys. This is another gorgeous 13x4 ready to wear and go, whichever one you want to term it as, glueless wig. All right, again, another very beginner friendly wig. Is a body wave texture that I got today. It's 24 inches long. I'll put the density and all the specifications in the description box so you guys can double check that. But let me just get into this. So the lace straight out of the box comes like this, guys. Pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, looks very natural in the hairline. It is a ear to ear lace front, okay, and it comes with the sticky ear tapes, the sticky tapes on the side, so it keeps the sides laid to your ear portion. You don't have to worry about the wig lifting at all. It comes pre-bleached as well. Everything is already done for you and you do not need to do anything, right? You just take this straight out of the packaging, slip it on and go, and you're gonna see how easy it is. It's not my first time showing you guys a wig like this. This is one of the recent y'all wig them were a trend. I need you guys to understand it is so convenient. This is how the inside looks. It has adjustable straps in the back, and then it has silicone, this non-slip silicone strip that helps with security as well. There's a total of just one comb for in the back for security. Now I need you to know they also sent this adjustable elastic band which has the non-slip like portions on it, so you can go ahead and apply this to the wig. This part is very important, so do ensure that you apply your non-slip elastic band to the inside, and you can adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be. And that's pretty much it. You can also adjust these portions here, the elastic bands, well, the adjustable bands, to how tight or loose you want it to be. I needed to note that the hair color is also a natural 1B color, and as I said, it's a 3-part full-on 13x4 lace front portion, so it's a very large lace space that you're working with. You can give this a nice deep side part. You could part it in the center. So you have a lot of flexibility with this. It can be very versatile. You can style it as you wish, and it looks very good. So that is how that's looking. I am super pleased with the quality. The hair feels very silky, very soft. Unice, again, they're up in their thing, and I love that. And it's a nice HD lace as well. So now that I went over all the wonderful features of this gorgeous wig, let's get into installing it. So this is how it looks once I slip it on from ear to ear. The fit looks it feels really good. It's very snugged on my head. Let me do the shake test before I move any further. It's not going anywhere, and I have not attached the ear tapes as yet either. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys can see in the very front there is just a piece of the lace that you can see a little bit of the cast on. I'm going to cut that away before I even attach the tapes on the side. Also, I need you guys to know that the way in which they cut the lace is very much like a C, or well, more like a S kind of formation, giving it that curvy vibe. So I'll follow that kind of pattern as well. This allows or makes the wig appear a little bit more natural and seamless in the front, you know. So I don't do just a straight across kind of cut. So that's how we're looking for right now. The last thing I'll do is I'll get my face powder and I'll just tap out anywhere where you feel like there's a little bit of cast, and that's pretty much it. But what I'm actually gonna move on to doing right now is applying the tapes to the very side. So you just want to peel that portion away, and it's so straightforward, so easy, no experience needed. You then hold on to that and you literally press it in, and it is a very strong hold, guys, a very strong hold. So you see that, and that is what it keeps the side of the wig from, you know, flapping. You don't want it to be lifting. So I absolutely love how everything is looking. It looks absolutely realistic, so natural, and rocking a very minimalistic natural glam. So yeah, this is how the waves this is how the waves are looking, very natural and stuff. But what I'm gonna do, you guys know my vibe, I'm gonna just kind of refresh the curls in the very front, you know. And I also want to show you guys how that you can go ahead and feel free to part this wig anywhere within the lace that you wish, because it's definitely it definitely has the space for that. So the spacing goes all the way down to your ears. So feel free to go ahead and explore, you know, different styles and stuff. You can very much wear it just like this, straight out of the box. Like, it's very much a wear and go kind of wig, but you know, I'm just being extra. I'm just gonna refresh the curls just in the front here, just so I can have that nice, like, you know, vibe going with the curls, where it just falls beautifully in the front. Oh, and I'm also going to make lay the top a little flatter with my hot comb. I just end up refreshing the entire wig with the curls, and I'm looking, it's looking so good. What? Absolutely no swoops, no baby hairs needed. I'll just kind of play with it, my fingers, you know, kind of finger comb it to get that nice luscious big wavy vibe. But this is exactly what I wanted. It came out perfect. Like, look at that. Glueless, completely glueless. So all my beginners, run come. This is yours. Definitely. It's perfect. Like, what lace. It is so gorgeous, so natural looking. What I also forgot to show you guys is that they sent extra tapes, so I think that's great. So when you know you're done with, you know, the pair that you're currently wearing and you feel like it's worn out, you could go ahead and you could grab from, you know, the rest that were sent, and you have tapes to last for your installation. You could always go ahead and re-up on these even when they're all out, so you could continue wearing the wig. But I love that they sent a portion of these in the package as well, especially with the ear portion. Like, they took everything into consideration, so I am very pleased and I highly recommend to you guys. So you guys know the drill. I'll put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications, any discount code, anything available like that will be listed as well. Shout out to Unice for another bomb wig. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.